Weddings are one of those places in life where the social order, at least for the night, gets re-established. The bride and groom are the focus of all attention and affection for the night, and the seating arrangement indicates the social hierarchy downwards. In Table 19, the titular table is the one where all the misfits have to sit. To quote the movie, the table that should have known to send regrets, but not before sending something nice off the registry. The film focuses on Anna Kendrick's Eloise, the would-be maid of honor who was recently dumped by the best man. Joining her at Table 19 is the bride's childhood nanny, an awkward teen who's hoping to hook up, a relative with a shady past, and a constantly bickering married couple.
I can smell the toilets from here. That's how well we know the bride and groom.
The movie and trailers present itself as a comedy, heavily leaning towards one of those everything goes wrong disaster movies like Four Rooms and Wedding Crashers and The Hangover. But despite featuring some social hiccups and faux pas, Table 19 never reaches disaster level. It's directed by Jeffrey Blitz, whose only previous fiction feature is 2007's Rocket Science, but who's directed several episodes of The Office. Together with Blitz, the film was co-written by Mark and Jay Duplass, and this creative team more accurately indicates the genre. It's a comedy drama, tonally closer to something like The Skeleton Twins or Jeff Who Lives at Home. That expectation should already prepare you better than the trailer for what Table 19 actually delivers. Still, most of the laughs fall flat and the humor is never laugh out loud hilarious. The movie moves from an inevitable disaster comedy to a coming-of-age maturation drama that's peppered with jokes. It's the same wedding no matter what table you're sitting at, Eloise repeats throughout the movie, but we all know that she's lying to herself. Just like a well-constructed movie with great performances by esteemed actors isn't necessarily great. Table 19 makes up for its comedic shortcomings with a decent dose of heart, but it ultimately fails to deliver. It's a sweet film about people finding themselves again, but might be okay to catch when it's on TV, rather than making a date night out of it. Table 19 stars Anna Kendrick, is directed by Jeffrey Blitz, and written by Jeffrey Blitz, Jay Duplass, and Mark Duplass. It's in cinemas from 21 April. This was a video by The Flow. If you liked it, please leave us a like or a comment. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out our blog at theflow.co.za, or watch one of our other videos.